Hey guys, welcome to another Magic Monday. This trick is done with the 4 aces. See the aces? I'll take the 4 aces. We got the ace of diamonds, the ace of clubs, the ace of hearts, and of course the ace of spades. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Okay, we're gonna keep your eye on the ace of spades. So that's the money ace. Keep your eye on that ace. We get 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, and the ace of spades is now on top. Here's where it gets tricky. If I place the ace of spades onto the bottom and I snap, it jumps back to the top. Let me show that again. We'll place it onto the bottom like this. Place the card onto the bottom. Place 3 cards on top. If I give it a little snap, it jumps back to the top. This time I'll place it in the middle of the deck like this. As you can see, go in the middle. If I snap, it jumps right back to the top. If I place it on the table, you snap, it jumps to the top. If you place it on the bottom, you snap, it jumps to the top. Let me try it again. I'll go a little bit slower this time. If I place it on the bottom like this, can't go any slower than that. I give a little snap, it jumps back to the top. Place it on the table, you snap, it jumps right back to the top. I know what you're thinking. I'm probably using 4 aces of spades. Well, that would be one way to do this trick. But that's not the way I do it. I use a wild card. My wild card happens to be the 10 of hearts. I just don't use 1 10 of hearts. I use 2 10 of hearts. There's a 3rd 10 of hearts and a 4th 10 of hearts. So wild card can be any card at once. How about kings? You like kings? We'll do kings. There's 1 king. There's a 2nd king. There's a 3rd king and a 4th king. And there you go.
Woo, Jeff, go.